Hi everyone, and welcome to the Antoine Akpom Achievements Foundation with Let Children Be Children in partnership with CSEST CIC. In this video, we would like to introduce you to our brand new coding workshop. What is coding? There are billions of people across the world, all of us speaking different languages, sometimes more than one. Now imagine you're telling a barista in a coffee shop how you would like your drink. Well, coding is computer language, and it's used to tell the computer what you would like it to do, much like when you ask your barista for the drink that you want. And, much like humans, there are many different computer languages as well. Computers are used around the world by millions of people, from the supercomputers used by NASA to the smartphone in your pocket, and it's coding that is used for us to get what we want them to do. Coding is used by the likes of Google, Amazon, computer gaming, the military, even down to the scanners that we use to scan our shopping in the supermarket. Our workshops provide tailored introductions to coding for children and young people. We split our groups into two age ranges, 5 to 11-year-olds and 12 to 18-year-olds, to make sure everybody has the opportunity to learn at a level that is the right pace for them. The younger group will be starting to learn how to use Scratch code as an introduction to more advanced coding. Scratch coding is also known as block-based visual programming language and is aimed at young people. Ever wondered how to make your own animated videos like you see here on YouTube? Well, this group will be learning how to design and create their own interactive stories and animations. For the older age range of 12 to 18-year-olds, we will be learning how to make use of Python. Python is a relatively simple language and is used to write all sorts of programs. It looks like recognisable words and characters, so we humans can read and understand it a bit easier. Did you know Python is used to create Pixar movies? We are really excited to be providing these workshops, and they're going to be a really fun and interactive way of learning, and we hope to see you in the sessions. For more information, please contact us on email.aaafoundation@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Stay safe and see you soon.